what's up guys? Today I'm going to be playing, don't ever mind this. Today I'm going to be playing Offroad Outlaws like the last couple of videos ago. I don't know what I just removed, but who cares? Okay, so, as you saw, the first Offroad Outlaws video got muted once my friend called me. So then I recorded another one, just how to make the off-road squad, and I never went rock crawling. But I think today we're gonna roleplay. Is anyone gonna roleplay? Oh yeah, make sure to go to our Adventure Up video and subscribe and like, please. And we'll do a whole series on it. Okay, so now we're doing this. Let's see. Favorites. This one. Okay. So technically, since once I get in, we're finally role playing, so I'll be like, okay. So I don't know how many videos I've recorded, like 5 today. I'll have to check after when I'm done recording. Okay. So I bought a new house. It's down the street over here. Okay, real quick, since you guys didn't see my first house, my first house is all the way down here. Oh yeah, if you guys want to have the build to this truck, I'll link it in the description. If you want to build this set. And sorry for if you're little, sorry for the word on the trailer. I mean, it's not bad, it's just redneck. Here's the old farm. I don't own it anymore. It's sold to someone else. I actually own like 2 farms now. From what I bought. This truck is fully upgraded, so that's bad. Okay. So maybe tomorrow when I go to my friend's house. So if you guys go back to our Adventure Up in the car dealership video, you'll see that I've been playing with my friend Jack. So and tomorrow I'm going to his house, so you won't have to barely hear him. Where is it? Oh, it's down the street over here. Okay. Merry Christmas, guys. I haven't said that in any of my videos, but we have the 21st, right? Yeah, 4 days until Christmas, and then 3 days till Christmas Eve. That's actually crazy. Merry Christmas. Here's where I'm gonna be parking my trailers and stuff. So wait, I have this right here. Probably I'm just gonna put my stuff, I guess. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, maybe I'll just put the quad here. Oh, I'm doing like a crab walk. Oh, crap. Oh, sorry for the back. Okay, it doesn't work. And then the second one is down here, and I own just a little property. This, I'll leave the name to this map in the description. It's by Cody72. You might know him on YouTube. I'll put his channel not in the description. Yeah, who cares? Okay. So this game is free to play on mobile and PC. Yeah, you can play this game on PC. So it's free to play. It's called Offroad Outlaws. If you saw my video like 5 videos ago, you should have saw. So now it's time to roleplay. I mean, we're already roleplaying. Okay. So, oh, what's this? I hope my brother doesn't mind. This is his place. Oh. I don't know why he has that right there, but I have to show you guys when I get back. I also own this little thing. I think, yeah. No, I'm gonna sell both of those. Okay. I'm gonna park. No, I'm not gonna sell both. But I'm actually gonna go drop my quad off, and here's where you guys get to see. Actually, let's go over here. Okay. And now I can record a lot of videos and like whenever I want because I'm on winter break for school. So, yeah. Oh. Yeah, I'm trying to get up on the stuff. Why am I turning that way? I'm gonna drop the quad off right over here. I have to get over. So, in the comments, tell me if you guys like these, Offroad Outlaws videos. And sorry for when I yawn, it's like, I'm gonna actually check the time. 6:30. So, it's pretty dark. Okay. I'm trying to back up. There's no way I'm going to be able to back it up this. Yes, that actually worked. Oh, wait. I'm going to show you guys my sister's place. Oh, yeah. Here's the new quad. It's big. And it's Christmas colors. With American flags for some reason. And next Offroad Outlaws video, you guys should probably see. I should have a membership. And then we can create a map, and then you guys can go into my map. Dude, oh my gosh. Oh my god. Skirt. Where is it? Wait, where's the spawn point? Spawn point's over there. Okay. Oh. And if we get to like 5 likes, it's starting, so I can't really. I'll do a video on how to make this car. Yeah. Woo. This car wheelies sometimes. But not most of the times when I want it to. Is it over here? Oh, yeah, it's over here. We all have houses like really far away. Whoa, why is that like so? I don't know. It's right here. It's pretty boring. Oh. So, I think in a little we're going to go over the new update because they did add some new cars, and I'm not going to just tell you guys all about the updates every single video in the game. I'm probably going to play a lot. Okay, and sorry if my voice sounds like bad. It's just that I don't have a microphone. So, yeah. What the heck? Okay, her neighborhood is crazy. Wait, what the heck? She's actually pretty lucky. What's this? Okay, you just don't look at my notification. I mean, don't mind my notifications. I should turn off all my notifications. But you know what? Who cares? Maybe if my friend wants to play, I'll have to turn them on. If my friend wants to play, but maybe you'll see more videos of this game tomorrow. Oh yeah, there's no way I'm gonna get that. I switched in low gear to get up this wall. I'm never getting up that. Oh yeah, I made it up here. This is a sketch. Okay, I'm driving back. Okay. So, that's my sister's neighborhood. This is the Christmas car. It's not the car, it's a quad. Woo, that was cool. In the next video, you guys might see the new 2nd gen and the new Honda that they added. Okay. Okay, so if you guys want to see me, I'm gonna exit. I'm gonna quit. Oh, come on. Wait 1 second, guys. Okay, so I am going to be showing you guys. No, not showing. I'm gonna try to make a wheelie bike. 15,000? That's crazy. That's a lot. Okay, let's see. Where's some paddle tires? Right there. Okay. I just want to go back into customize because I wanted to see how much money. Oh no, I don't have enough money to see tires. Who cares? Hopefully this thing wheelies. We're just going to test it in the woodlands. Okay. 3, 2, 1. No. Okay. Who cares? I think we're going to end it.
Need to get the hell off this planet? Well, now you can. Our 60% launch success rate assures you'll most likely get there.
Okay, so new cars, they added this new 2nd gen, which I hate the headlight right there. It looks weird. And they have this new membership car. And then they have the Offroad Outlaw Bronco. This is Bronco because of copyright. And then quads. This quad is not that cool. And that's about it. I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one.